Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a marshmallow head with cardboard. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need large, sturdy cardboard sheets, a reliable hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks, and a sharp craft knife. Don't forget a cutting mat to protect your surfaces and a ruler for accurate measurements. For that classic marshmallow finish, grab some white spray paint or acrylics. We'll also discuss comfort features like elastic straps or foam padding. Now, let's build the basic structure. Begin by cutting 2 large square pieces of cardboard, each measuring about 24 inches by 24 inches for the top and bottom. Next, cut 4 rectangular pieces, each 24 inches tall and 12 inches wide, for the sides. Score and fold small tabs along the edges of these side pieces. Then, carefully hot glue the 4 side panels to one of the square pieces, forming an open box. This creates the main cubic shape. With the basic cube assembled, it's time for details. Carefully cut out the eye and mouth holes using your craft knife, making sure they are appropriately sized for visibility and the marshmallow aesthetic. Reinforce all the interior seams with generous amounts of hot glue to ensure the head is sturdy and won't fall apart. For even more structural integrity, you can add small cardboard strips along the inside corners. Finally, smooth any rough edges for a polished look. Our marshmallow head is almost complete. Now for the iconic white finish. Apply several thin, even coats of white spray paint or acrylic paint, allowing each coat to dry completely before adding the next. This ensures a smooth, opaque finish. Once dry, attach elastic straps inside the head, positioned to comfortably secure it to your head. For maximum comfort, add foam padding around the opening where your head enters. You're now ready to rock your awesome new marshmallow head.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.